Good morning, guys. As you can see, I'm back from Texas on my hat. In today's video, I'm gonna do it completely different. And I think if I like the end of it, the result of it, I'm gonna keep doing it like that. I'm gonna keep doing it like that. And what I'm about to do... Yo, what the fuck? Stay with me, boy. What I'm gonna do is record everything I do in a week that has to do with SupermotoValhalla. And what I mean by everything is like recording reels, filming stuff like this, but not the editing one because that's pretty boring. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, hello. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Stop moving. I don't like that. Okay, I bought some things while I was in Texas for one of the parts of the Temu video. If you saw that, you maybe remember that. Come on, stay still. Come on. Okay, fuck it. I will hold it myself. Okay, when you saw the Temu video from that one, you remember that one? Okay. That's the Temu video. You also maybe remember this thing that I bought, and then I remembered I didn't have any caps for on this thing. I bought a few caps. Wait. Okay, wait. I'm gonna build something real quick. Bye-bye. A box of screws does the job. Okay. Ta-da! A Bass Pro Shop, Donald Trump hat, yeah buddy. Yeah, there's an old one, he's a bit dirty as you can see. And another Bass Pro Shop hat. And what you can do with this thing, I don't know exactly how it works. I think like that. Oh god. Whoa. Okay, I'm not sure how it's supposed to work, but I think it must be like that. Oh wait, I started on the wrong side. Damn, that's awful. Oh, when the hats fit in each other, then it looks a lot, something like that. Wait. But, oh, and then you can hang it on the wall. Yeah. I'm not sure if I like this, but it does the job, so it should be okay. Anyway, in a few minutes the boys will be here, and then we will hang out for a bit, and I hope one of them will help me record a few reels. Okay, but for now I found my that one, my MTB hopper ramp. I found it, and I'm gonna put it together real quick and put it in the background because it looks pretty dope, and maybe I will use it more often than when it's all put together. Bada bing, bada boom! Finished product. I always forget how big this thing is when it's put together. It's like almost as tall as a normal bike, so it's pretty big. And now I'm gonna put it right there in that corner by using these wheels. Okay, okay. By using these wheels, they come with the ramp, so that's pretty dope. Yeah. Ja, dan moet ze even doen hier zo. Te enthousiast. 71.5 was score beat. Let's do it. As you saw a few weeks back, my lens of my GoPro broke because the game stone right butts in the lens, so that broke. So that means that I have to buy a new camera, and I'm now going MediaMarkt. It's like a store where you can buy laptops, TVs, cameras, stuff like that. And now I'm going to the store to buy an Insta360 camera. Damn, bummer. They had camera, but only the camera, not the motorcycle package or with a selfie stick or something. So that means that I have to order it online, and then I have to wait till it arrives at my place. So that means that I don't have a camera right now. But we will figure something out. But yeah, it's a bit disappointing, because if you go to the store and you want to buy something, you want it right now. You don't want to order it and wait for it. You remember this clip? God! That's the whole reason this happened to my GoPro lens. So I need to fix it, and that's why I have this package. Ik denk ik heet het kutte. GoPro repair kit, yes. Oh god. This is the lens. That one.
It's like a screen protector of the phone.
Yeah. Oh, and these are the cleaning wipes. So I have to heat it with the heat gun, then whip the old lens out of it with this thing. Then I wipe it clean with both wipes, and then just put it back on. That's it. It should be simple, but I'm really good at fucking things up, so.
Zo dan niet van Boetehaven doen.
Nee, moest het zo van binnen. What I'm trying to do now is get all of the glue that's left. Now I'm trying to get that off, but it's pretty sticky. It's clean, and we tried it with that one, what you get with it, but that's not, so, yeah, it's not that good. So we used this, and that went very quick.
Een bottle opener.
Yeah, bottle opener. What we have to do now is take the wipes, the wet one first, because there's a one. Smart. And it's very important you clean it, yeah, really good, because if you don't do it, all your footage will be screwed. That's small.
That's what she said.
Oké.
Al die ringen ook goed zuiver maken. Dus plekt het niet.
Grab the bottle opener again and get back to all the edges. Clean everything really good. Take your time for it. Take your time for it, because you don't want to mess this up, because then you can start over again and buy a new lens again. Oh wait.
Smash a new one.
Yeah.
Make it open.
Okay. That looks clean to me, right?
It's fine.
Okay. Then we will take the
dry?
I don't know. Oh, the dry. Yep.
After wet, it becomes always dry.
Whoops. And do it again. We take this one. So, that's clean. And now the most important part, the lens. Okay. I saw fingerprints on it, so I thought, oh god, the inside is already dirty, but it was on the outside. En, oh god.
Goed rondwrijven.
And as simple as that. It should be fine right now, but I think that should work. But the big test is put it back together, and I'll record a bit with it, put it in the video, and then y'all can judge if it's okay. Hey.
Je kunt het toch omdraaien? Je kunt het toch zien met zijn films?
Ja, maar ja, op een groot scherm is het wel beter. But so far so good. On the backside, oh, double vlog, wow. On the, yeah, on that screen you don't see anything. That's weird, but on the computer screen you can see it better. So yeah, I think that worked. So that's great. The other thing I wanted to do tonight is take a look at my lamp, because it doesn't work no more. Because if I plug it in, as you just saw, the lights don't work, but I have the old light right here. So now we're gonna test if the old one works, because I only changed it because I got that one. But this thing still worked, but it's a bit dirty. But that means if that one works, my lights are done. And if it doesn't work, my light switch is broken. The other headlight is done. So now we have to check it if there is a cable broken or some corrosion in it. Let's see what it is. Is wel goed. Zo.
Nou, is goed. Aha.
Bada bing, bada boom. And now what?
Druk die naar stroom.
Yeah. Normally I have a multimeter for checking if there is power, but I don't know where it is, so we have to do it with these big boys. So we hope that works. So what we're gonna do now is put the bike back on, put the screwdriver in it. If the light starts to shine, then we know there is power. Then we put this one in, and we will touch it right there, there and there, to see if the power runs through.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
the last thing we're gonna try is open that up and see if there is a cable that's broken or something. So if that's not the case, the headlight is done. We will throw it away and put the old one back in because that one works. Let's see what's going on in there.
It's nice mogelijk.
Yeah.
Man, what the fuck is that?
Okay, we got the multimeter, so now we're gonna check it if we got power. So I have to put the bike on. Oh, no. We think we have to upload the app again because we have power at the points we need power, so we don't know, but probably the app. Oh, rebound. And no, I don't mean any disrespect to the guys from Movetronics. It was a great, amazing headlight. It was great headlights for as long that it worked, but I think I messed up with cleaning my bike and a high pressure washer. So that's on my part. So I'm sorry for that. And yeah, if you want a sick angel eye, make sure to go to Movetronics.
I'll make you one.
Oh damn, designer. And now I have to clean that up. Oh my god, I feel so retarded. I just came to the conclusion that my microphone was plugged in the wrong hole.
That's what she said.
So the audio will be a bit better now. But oh, what's that? The audio will be better now because I plugged it in the right hole. But that means that all the other footage, the audio is like messed up. But I hope that doesn't bother you because it's already the end of the video. Yeah, I did everything that I wanted to do. Unfortunately, the headlight came back to life. It's not Frankenstein, unfortunately. But that means we're all said and done. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment and leave a like. And tell us in the comments what do you want to see next. If you want to see the upcoming content, make sure to subscribe as well. And if you want to buy some merch, that would help us a lot. That gives us more money so we can buy crazier stuff and do more stupid things. So that's all said and done. You know what to do now. And then I want to say goodbye and see you in the next video.